Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking cryptocurrency, ShibaSwap, and staking rewards. This is a 6-month update for us. Let's take a look. Here we are back at ShibaSwap.com on the computer. And again, this is our 6-month update. So let's get right to it. Up at the top right corner, you'll see that Connect Wallet tab. Go ahead and click that. And depending which wallet you have, whether it's MetaMask, Wallet Connect, which is over 100 wallets, or Coinbase, go ahead and select that and connect your wallet to the ShibaSwap platform. And come back up to the top right corner where it said Connect Wallet, and once you're connected, it will show your personal address. If all looks good, come down to the Wolf section and farm tokens, and it should automatically populate here if you are connected. As you can see, once it loads, it populates 2 numbers. The first number in big white bold, and down below is a unwolfable count, and that top number is your 33% rewards available right now. You can do anything with them. As we've talked about in previous videos, you can withdraw them, you can swap them, you can sell them, which is an awesome feature on the ShibaSwap ecosystem and platform. And down below that, again, the unwolfable is your 67% that is locked for 6 months. And below that is your wolfable date, basically the date that you can withdraw, the unwolfable. What I want to do now is grab the calculator, and I'm going to add the 2 numbers. I'll click the 0 out a few times and calculate 43.1954 plus 69.63282, and that equals 112.82822. And a quick clarification on what this number represents. Again, it is the total BONE rewards that you have earned to date while staking your SHIB tokens on ShibaSwap. Again, the 33% available now plus the 67% available in 6 months equal your total BONE rewards. Next, what I want to do is take this number and convert it into US dollars. And to do that, I will multiply it by the current BONE price. And right now, at the time of filming, the BONE token is worth 47 cents per token. So again, multiply by 0.47, and that equals 53.0. Let's just round it up, 53.03. So I'll clear this out again, 53.03, 53.03. And what does that number represent? This is the total amount in US dollars that you have earned while staking your tokens on the platform. And again, this is a 6-month update for us, and honestly, that's pretty darn cool. We have earned $53.03 just by staking and doing nothing else with the tokens, which again is pretty awesome. So I'll come back here. In addition to the cumulative BONE rewards that you earn for staking, you earn Ethereum as well as additional Shiba Inu tokens. And scrolling above right now is a video link which we highly recommend checking out. We run you through a full tutorial on how to pinpoint the amount of XSHIB or additional Shiba Inu tokens that you have earned during the entire staking process or time frame that you have been participating or involved in. And in that video, we do our absolute best to clear up any confusion and answer as many questions as possible. So again, definitely check that out. You may find it extremely helpful, and that is on dbank.com. And SHIB Army, that's it. Again, this is our 6-month update, and we have earned $53.03, which we're pretty satisfied with. Again, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. One more bit of exciting information. We here at the DIY channel have recently launched our very own crypto token, and it is called Toolbox, and the ticker symbol is DIY. And here's our website, toolboxtoken.com. Definitely check it out. Get to know more about us, as well as Toolbox Token's mission. The DIY team and I have been working really hard and having a lot of fun while putting this website and tokens journey together. So again, definitely check out toolboxtoken.com and learn more about us. You can also find us on Uniswap. Thanks again for watching.